Meaning of grave.
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 Grave. The word grave has multiple meanings, but most commonly it refers to a place of burial for the dead. The term can also be used to describe a serious or solemn tone or demeanor, as well as something that is significant or weighty in importance. In addition, grave can be used as an adjective to describe a situation or circumstance that is dire or potentially disastrous. Overall, the word grave connotes a sense of gravity and importance, whether in reference to death, seriousness, or danger.